How's it going, guys? Welcome again to my channel. There you go. All that footage was shot on the DJI Mavic Air 2, and that actual drone came out April 27th, I believe, of this year. And so I got mine a little bit, maybe the first week or second week of May. So I've had it for a very, very long time. I'm actually going to talk to you about the reviews, about this performance, the camera, the range of OcuSync 2.0. I mean, everything that's come out to be about this Mavic Air 2 has really delivered throughout all these months. So let's get right down to it. One of the first things that I actually love is the ability to shoot in 4K 60, getting those crispy, nice images and video. It's just mind blowing. I love the fact that it just shoots you 4K 60, 4K 30, 4K 24, and you can do a lot of things in post with this camera. So that's one of the features. The other thing is basically the sensors, so you can actually go and bypass, or you can do brakes, and so basically you can just, it'll have those sensors in front and in the back where you can just stop, or it will stop. You know, it can't even go forward, maybe an extra foot in front of you. But overall, it's been a really good experience to be able to avoid trees, any power lines, and so forth. So the only thing it doesn't have is the sensors on the sides. So it's just the front and the back and the bottom. Another thing I definitely want to talk about is OcuSync 2.0. OcuSync 2.0 has really delivered. I was actually be able to fly out maybe 1.5 miles up to 2 miles sometimes. So in order for you to get a higher range, it just depends on where you're at and where you're located. So for me, I'm able to fly anywhere where there's less Wi-Fi interference. I can go as high as I need to go, and you know, it will just fly. It will just keep going and going and going and going. So it's really cool. I needed to go to a certain spot. It was able to do it. Now, return to home. Return to home was also going to be the most awesome thing in the world, because when I first flew my drones, it was the DJI Mavic Mini. I actually tried returning to home, and it actually works pretty good. It just comes down wherever you're actually located. It comes back to you automatically based on the GPS signal, and it'll just land right there wherever you took off from. But you can also, of course, take advantage of, you know, customizing it with that location as well. Aside from firmware updates, and I keep hearing about battery issues, I had no issues whatsoever with the DJI Mavic Air 2, as far as I know, anything major. There's been a few things incidents where basically the return to home was off by maybe 15 feet. So, but that's about it. Other than that, it works flawlessly. It does its job. That's what it needs to do. And so nothing basically to complain about. I do recommend definitely to get the 128 gigabyte Extreme Pro to be able to get that card in order for your 4K 60 to work seamlessly. So basically, there will be no interruptions as you start recording to 4K 60. So you definitely want to be on the lookout for the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. There's been leaks that have been going around of what it's going to look like. And so as far as release date, I don't have any information as to when. But when I do, I'll definitely bring it up here in this channel. And other than that, guys, it's just been so awesome to have this drone. It's really neat when it comes to this 4K sensor. I mean, you think about it, it's half-inch sensor, and so it's not a full 1 inch, but it still gives out amazing performance. This drone has really given me the ability to up my production when it comes to filming weddings, and you know, present the location where everything is at. And so this has been a game changer for me. But I'm definitely looking forward to the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. definitely reading rumors about it, and there's been leaks. So definitely want to go ahead and see what's going on with that. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and if you have anything else you want me to review, please let me know. Alright, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.